how are you doing today? All right, so it's good to be here after a long time, and we just want to update you with some new knowledge for some of you, and some of you that already knew it before, maybe an updated knowledge about simple visibility hacks on WhatsApp. All right, plenty English. What do I mean? Maybe if you do business or you render services and all that, and you want to increase your visibility without paying money at all. Maybe you pay money on several other platforms, but you want to keep putting yourself out there. One of the ways you can do it is through your WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp doesn't have thousands of people and all that, but a lot of them are from your already existing contacts that are on WhatsApp. All right. And the beautiful thing about it is a feature on WhatsApp everybody knows, but sometimes some people don't know how to maximize it for some business things, especially if you're learning how to build consistency and all that. So there's a simple thing you can do that can help you get started, all right? Remember, this is not like working on its own exclusively, it's just an addition to what you're able to do, all right? So there is this feature on WhatsApp. Maybe wondering, did WhatsApp add any feature or something? No, it's not a new feature, it's been there for a while. It's the WhatsApp status. Yeah, so, well, if you're a professional status viewer like me, don't raise your hand, like you can view, you can view people's status, but you hardly post. I'm talking about you, right? Okay, don't worry. We're looking for national vice president. Now, election is coming to for Status Viewers Association of Nigeria or of Africa, all right? So, but that's just on the lighter side. You know, many times you see people post things on their status and all that. It could be fun, it could be memes, it could be their business and all that. And sometimes you find out that from status, we follow them and enter DM. How much? Where can I get this? But if they never posted it, we will never know. All right. And you may say, oh, but I've been posting, but people don't look at it and all that. Relax. There's a lot of consistency. You may be new in the business. Maybe you were doing something else before, and so your people don't know that you've changed or something. Remember, if you are consistent over a period of time, what are you doing? You are building an image of yourself in their head. After a while, they'll know that, oh, okay, there's this lady or there's this one that posts this on his WhatsApp status. He talks about this or he says this, let me contact the person. But if you post once or twice and stop, you can't build that consistency in the mind. All right, so you have to be consistent. It could be every Monday. You don't have to do it every day. You will say every Monday or every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever you can start with is okay, provided you are consistent. 3 months, 4 months, 5 months is not a very long time, but if you're consistent over something for this period of months, you shall definitely see results. All right. So what do you do? Whether you do goods or services, post about them. You don't have to be very harsh. Every day you're posting 100 shoes, 200 belts, and all that. No, it could be a nuisance. You can decide that, okay, maybe today you just want to post 5. Tomorrow you post another 5. It mustn't be all. Remember, some people may come in through one product or through one ad or through one notice, but they'll get to see other things that you do. So you don't have to be a nuisance on people's status always, all right? You can start with something few and grow from there. And beyond just posting every time sell, sometimes you can post other kind of content, like maybe things that are educational or informational. Okay, and many other things like that. So I may be selling shoes or bags or wristwatch or something. Some days I can give them information about shoes that they didn't know. For example, as simple as size 42 in UK size is equal to size 45 American size, or size 42 is equal to size 11 American size. Size 38 is this. So some people may not even know that, but it's common knowledge. But because you have brought it, they see you as somebody who knows a lot in that area, and you're demonstrating authority in a very simple way. Are you getting me? All right. So little things like that. You can say you're sharing this kind of information about you, how to take care of your shoes, how to use your shoes, how to make your shoes clean during rainy season or dusty season. You know, little things they can share about. If you don't know them before, you can go and read about them. So they don't just see you as a seller; they also see you as somebody who has information that is helpful. And from there, you know, they can want to see other things that you do. What are you doing? You are solidifying your image in their head, your brand in their head as somebody who knows about this, not just because you are selling it, but you are giving them valuable information that is useful to them. Right? And from there, what are you looking for? Leads, conversation. Let the conversation start. And you can begin to build on. And you can make offers sometimes. If somebody orders something between now and Friday, you do one special offer, you are giving them a pencil, you are giving them a pen, you're giving them tom-tom, you're giving them sweet. Everybody likes one free thing or the other. It may look simple and cheap, But I tell you, a lot of people, if they make order, you'll be sure they'll ask you, hey, where's the pencil that you say you give us after we order? Because you mentioned it is an offer in a little way anyway. So what am I saying? Not something very complex, something very simple that you already know. You can use written text, you can write, you can use pictures. If you're good at copywriting, you can write a good copy even on your WhatsApp status. And remember, if this thing works here, you can replicate it on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram. Of course, depending on how the platform works for you, you can replicate them there. All right, but this is something that even without money and all that, you can start with your content. Remember, there's some people that see your status that you've not spoken with in years, but they see your status. They are not monitoring spirits. They are also professional status viewers. And from there, you can draw them in and remind them of what you do. It could be an event, it could be other things that you do. It will always, many times, strike a memory in their head, all right? So let me stop it here today, all right? Just to let you know how you can use your WhatsApp a little better. And if you've been doing that before, stay consistent, stay creative, and this thing can lead to sales, it can lead to patronage. It may not even be that you're selling something. It could be a cause that you're promoting, an NGO or what they call. You can also use things like this to increase your visibility, all right? And if your visibility increases, the perception they have about you sticks a lot better, and be consistent, all right? Hope this was of value to you. We'll be bringing more to you every now and then. I'll let you know, all right? Have a fantastic week. God bless you.